you can see, I have a Stella Rose wine bottle glitter rose bouquet. And yes, today I'll be showing you guys how to make this absolute beauty that I just made right here. So before the video even starts, go ahead and leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And let's get right into this tutorial on how you can make your very own wine bottle bouquet. Let's get started. All right, guys, so part 2 of the glitter roses. So if you didn't see part 1 to how to make the glitter roses, go ahead and check the video out because I showed you guys how to make these roses. And now I'm going to show you guys how to do the wine bottle bouquet. So first you're going to need a wine bottle of your choice. If you want to go big bottle, you can do the big Stella Rose bottle or any bottle. Today I'm going to use this strawberry rose Stella Rose because I think I want to do the pink and the red roses this time. But if you wanted to go with like the black bottle, you could or the bigger bottle, you know, you could do like the black and red, and I might just do that one too just to show you guys. But right now we're going to be using this one, so let's get into it. So you're going to need the bottle, you're going to need styrofoam square, and your roses of choice. Today we're using the pink ones. Okay, so you're gonna take your styrofoam and you're gonna have to cut a hole in the styrofoam to fit over the top of the wine bottle. So I'm going to get some scissors and do that and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I have this butter knife that I'm gonna use, but you can use a pair of scissors or whatever you need, or a spoon. A spoon will work too. But you just wanna you know, cut a hole. Okay, cool. So you just want to cut a hole and make sure you have just enough space, you know, for it to fit over the bottle. Because we're going to make the bouquet like the top. So it's going to be just like this. But you want to center it. So you're going to do it just like this. Okay. There we go. And now you're going to take your flowers or your roses of choice and stick them in there. I did these artificial flowers, so I'm going to just take this part off and just like stick it in here like this. Okay, so we put the flower in there straight, you know, just straight into the styrofoam. But if you wanted to give it a little like pop, you can get you just some toothpicks and take one and take the rose, the artificial rose off the stem like this, and then take the toothpick and stick it in the back of the stem like that, and then just find a spot where you want it to be, like on your bouquet, and just stick it in there like that. So that's another way that you can do it if you don't want to just put the rose like straight into the styrofoam. But either way, you can do it either way. I'm going to keep going and then I'll show you guys what it looked like at the end. And if you have any questions, guys, just drop it below in the comments and I'll answer it for you guys, okay? Alright guys, so here's the bottle and the roses. I didn't finish the back. We left the back open only because I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if it was wrapped. Now this is not the official wrapping paper for the bouquets, but I just wanted to give you guys, you know, just a glimpse of what it would look like if we wrapped it. So it would look kind of something like this. So if you don't want to do the whole thing, you don't have to do the whole thing. But just to kind of show you guys, you know, let me smooth this bottle. And then you just put like some type of ribbon or something right here. And here's your finished product. I think it came out really cute, especially with the pink, the white, the red glitter. Man, I think it's really cute. I think it's super adorable. I think this would be a great gift for Valentine's Day or birthday or anniversary. Honestly, any special event. I think anybody that received these would most definitely love them. So this is with a wrapping on it, and this is it just by itself. So yeah, I think it came out super adorable, super cute. So guys, don't forget to give this a like, give it a comment, make sure that you subscribe, because I want to do plenty of DIY stuff, mostly custom shoe stuff, but I'm gonna be doing some DIY stuff as well. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Let me know if you want to see me do another color or another bottle, because I'll definitely do that for you guys. And let me know just, you know, what you think. Let me know how it came out. Like, if you would change the colors of, if there's anything you've done differently that I did when you did yours. Or if you actually do make one, tag me. My social medias are Clay's Customs, 1_ on all platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever, Snapchat, whatever you have. It's Clay's Customs with 1 S and 1_ at the end. So if you end up making one, tag me. I would love to see it. Or DM it to me, however you want to let me know. But I would love to see yours. So thank you for watching, and have a great day. Okay, I just had to show y'all. I did it again with the black bottle. It's a little bonus footage. We did the gold, the red, the black, and the white glitter roses. The red, black, well, the black, red wine Stella Rose bottle. And this is just the wrapping paper, just so you guys can kind of see. But if you take it off, oh, I forgot. Hold on. So if we take it off, this is what it looks like without it. Oh no, this is super cute. But I know I said I was done, but I had to come back and show you guys this because I can't really decide which one is my favorite. So drop it in the comments down below. Which one is your favorite? Was it the pink bottle or the Stella Rose black? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.